What's up guys, this is IK from IMK Technical Hub, and today in this video we will be doing the unboxing of Asus Pentium Quad Core X543MA CQ501T laptop. So let's get started. You can see when you purchase this, you will see a packaging like this from Flipkart. So I have got this at a price of 18,000 rupees in Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, and if you want to purchase this, the best price link in description. So let's cut out and see the package. So friends, you can see this is a laptop. Keep the box aside. So friends, before opening it, I will see you the box from all sides. So here you can see some informations that has been written, imported by Asus India Private Limited and marketed by Asus Global Private Limited. So the most important is the manufacturing date. So it is manufactured in August 2020 and import month and year is September 2020. And also friend, you can see the maximum retail price has been written is 30,990 rupees, but you can get at a price 18 to 22,000 very easily. And the model, you can see the X543M. So this is the X543MA model. So you can see the box is sealed from all sides. So here are also some informations written, and here in search of incredible from Asus. So let's cut it out and see the content inside the box. So friends, you can see there is a seal as well. So let's cut that seal. So friends, so these are cardboards. Let's remove that and let's pull out like this. These are cardboards. Let's keep that aside. Also friends, inside there is some quick start guides. This is some promotion booklet, and these are some of the informations of this laptop has been written in this booklet. So keep this aside. And also on the box you will get a adapter. So friends, you can see this is an adapter, and this adapter is 33 watt adapter, and this you can use to charge the device. And also you can see there is a plug like this, and you have to insert this into the socket. So let's remove this. So friend, you have to insert this plug into this adapter like this, and then you have to charge. You can plug it into your socket, and then you can charge the device. And also you can see the pin is not big, it is a small circular pin for charging the device that comes with HP laptop as well. So I think it's the same charger, but this one is 33 watt charger to charge this Asus Pentium Quad Core laptop. So keep this aside and let's come to our box. And also friend, in the box there is nothing else. The box is empty, and let's come to our laptop. So friends, this is a laptop. So overall it's a lightweight, it's not heavy. The upper part there is aluminum finish, and this is I think this is also plastic, but the finishing has been given of aluminum, so that's good. And also there is a Asus branding on the front, and on the back if I show you, there are some informations that has been written, and the model number, the serial number, and this has come with general window as well, Windows 10. So let's boot the device and also let's open it. And also friend, there are some information that has been written, so you can check Asus VivoBook, and lightweight eye care protection has been given, and super battery. And if I show you friends from the side, you can see here 2 ports has been given, USB port, and also one you can insert your charging cable, and this one is HDMI port, and here you can use the charger pin to charge the device. So, and also there is a vent, air vent has been given here so that heat can be out from this vent. And on the right you can see there is no port has been given on the right. So friend, this has no battery inside it. So friend, battery is not removable. So if you see very carefully, the battery has been non-removable. So inside there is a battery, and I think you are not able to remove the battery. So friends, I have connected it. I have connected the charger. You can see now it's booting up. So this is the first boot of this laptop, Asus VivoBook, and model is X543MA. And also the configuration of this laptop is it has 4 GB of RAM and Intel Pentium quad core up to 2.7 GHz processor, and also it has 1-year warranty from the manufacturer, that is the Asus. And also the keyboard style looks very good, and one thing I already told you that on the front you will see a aluminum finish on the plastic, and same you can see on the keyboard layout as well. So this one is also made of plastic, but the finishing has been given of aluminum. And also friend, overall the build quality, I think at 18,000 rupees the build quality is good. You can't expect too much at the price you are giving to the manufacturer. So overall it's a good deal. And if you want to purchase, the best price link is in video description. And also friend, the maximum bend you can bend not more than this. You can see, this is the maximum screen you can bend. So, and also friend, this one has 4 GB of LPDDR4 RAM. So this is not LPDDR3, this one is the LPDDR4. So you are getting at a very low price the LPDDR4 RAM. So I'm setting the device, so I'm connecting with my Wi-Fi. And also friend, I am showing you the entire process how to set up your laptop of this Asus Pentium quad core. So friends, it's a first boot up, so that's why it's taking too much time. So now you have to agree with the terms and conditions for Windows 10 license agreement. So now it is asking to let's add your account. So I will create one account more. So friend, this is the final step. So for Windows process, this is the final step. So this might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC, and always while you're performing any update or booting any device, then you should always connect a charger with the device. So always remember this point. So friends, finally you can see the Windows boots up. So friends, I will show you some information about this laptop. So let's go to the task manager and I will show you. So now you can see, go to task manager, click on more details, and then let's go to performance. So friends, you can see the performance. The base speed is 1.1 GHz and it can go up to 2.7 GHz. So, and memory I will show you. So out of 4 GB you get only 1.3 GB is free. So 1.3 GB is free, and the slots has been used all 4 of 4. So I think if you want to upgrade your RAM, then you have to remove one of them. So Wi-Fi is also working fine. And also friend, the graphic here is Intel ultra high definition graphic card inside this laptop. That is a Intel UHD graphic card 605. So there is no dedicated graphic card has been given into this laptop, but it has integrated Intel UHD 605 graphic card. So friends, this is the whole specification of this laptop. Friends, I hope this video is useful, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe IMT Technical Hub channel so that we can give you these kind of videos. So friends, thanks for watching. Jai Hind, and I will see you in the next video.